I can see you.
Ever worried if a loved one made it home safely? Or maybe you've given your car to valet, mechanic, or let your kids drive the car and need to know that it's being driven responsibly? With Nextbase Guardian Mode and Guardian Mode Lite, you have 2 levels of protection. Let's start with Guardian Mode Lite. You can set speed or perimeter limits to keep tabs on your ride, even when you're not behind the wheel. If your limits are breached, your dash cam saves the evidence and lets you know the second you return to your car. With full access to Guardian Mode, you can set speed limits and a location perimeter, so if your car breaks them, you'll receive an immediate alert. With this, you can use your phone and talk to whoever's driving through Live View. This way, you can intervene and take action. Whether you just want peace of mind or need full tracking with alerts, Nextbase has you covered. Stay connected, stay in control. Activate Guardian Mode or Guardian Mode Lite today with the Nextbase Dashcam.